Hi, I'm Robin Rothenberg, author of Restoring Prana. My breath tip for you this week is humming. Humming. Why hum? Because humming has an incredibly important effect on our mind, on our immune system, and our nervous system. So when we hum, first of all, you got to have your mouth closed when you hum. Can't really hum with your mouth open. It's not a hum. So lips sealed and hum. Notice the vibration in the nasal cavity when you hum. There are pockets of nitric oxide in our nasal cavity, and nitric oxide is known for its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It sterilizes the air as we bring it into our body, and it helps facilitate oxygen uptake into our lungs. When we hum, nitric oxide production and release is 15-fold higher. So humming not only creates this vibrational support that's kind of both stimulating and soothing at the same time, but it also actually has a direct impact on our immune system's ability to fight disease and our body's ability to utilize oxygen. One can hum anywhere, anytime. You could hum to a song. Or one can also hum in more of a traditional yoga way, where we seal one nostril and breathe through the other, except instead of just breathing through the other nostril, one can hum when one exhales through the other nostril. So alternate nostril breathing, inhale through the left, and then exhale through the right, but hum. Inhale through the right and hum through the left. Or you could just seal one nostril. Remember, humming always happens on the exhale. So you'll inhale lightly through one nostril and hum through it. And then alternate. Inhale through your nostril and exhale. I suggest a humming practice of at least 3 minutes every day, or 3 minutes multiple times a day. Why not? Give your immune system a boost, give your mind a rest, give your nervous system an opportunity to relax, and hum. It's good for you. Namaste.